when is surfing and they're out there? Is they're out there?
Repeat.
When they're surfing out there? Is it deep? Is it deep?
Oh, is it deep?
So when you surf?
No, my son does.
So when the wind is in the surf, is it deep?
I have no idea what that means, but
Surfing?
It's cool to you?
Surfing?
No.
Is it deep?
When the surf and the waves, is it deep?
Not really.
Is it deep?
Surfing?
What do you mean deep?
Do you surf?
I'm on a beginner level.
So surf wave, is it deep?
No, I don't think so.
Double barrel deep. Good summer fun.
What? What is double barrel deep?
When the barrels and when the barrel it's hot. Good.
In English now.
What's up? My name, Javier.
When surfing is hot. Good summer fun.
Yeah.
1 to 5.
Of what?
Is it when you're in the when?
I'm very, very immature.
To be young in America.
It's like a black man being president.
When you're in the midst, and you get deep, is it finally 1 through 5?
Hold my dick.